Case study: tracing a missing mechanical engineer. Hamm client background: a UK-based engineering firm contacted Bond Rees to trace a missing mechanical engineer who had travelled to Hamm, Germany to oversee the installation of new machinery at a steel production facility. Hamm, located in North Rhine-Westphalia, is known for its heavy industrial operations, particularly in the steel and manufacturing sectors. The engineer was responsible for ensuring the proper setup and functionality of critical machinery required for the facility's expansion. After the engineer missed several important meetings and failed to respond to communications, the firm grew increasingly concerned about both the project's progress and the engineer's safety. The investigation Bond Rees gathered all relevant information regarding the engineer's recent activities, communications, and accommodations. The engineer had been staying near the industrial zone of Hamm, close to the steel plant where the machinery installation was taking place. The last known communication from the engineer was a phone call confirming attendance at a site inspection at the steel plant located in the Pelkum district, an area known for its industrial operations and steel manufacturing. Digital footprint and local contacts. Our digital forensics team analysed the engineer's phone records, GPS data, and financial transactions. The last known GPS signal placed the engineer at the steel plant in Pelkum, but after that, no further communication was recorded. Bond Rees contacted plant personnel, local contractors, and hotel staff to gather more information. Witnesses confirmed that the engineer had been at the site but did not return to their hotel or attend follow-up meetings. On-the-ground investigation in Hamm. Bond Rees dispatched local investigators to Hamm, focusing on the Pelkum district, the steel plant, and key transportation routes. Investigators reviewed CCTV footage from the steel plant and nearby businesses to trace the engineer's movements. After following several leads, our team discovered that the engineer had stayed late at the facility to oversee a critical phase of the machinery installation. Further investigation revealed that the engineer had experienced a medical emergency due to exhaustion after several days of intensive work. The engineer collapsed at the plant and was taken to a local hospital. Unfortunately, delays in communication and the loss of the engineer's identification delayed the hospital's ability to notify the firm. Outcome: Bond Rees quickly located the mechanical engineer and confirmed their condition, providing this vital information to the engineering firm in London. After receiving medical treatment and rest, the engineer was able to recover and resume overseeing the installation, ensuring that the project continued with minimal delays. Why Bond Rees? This case highlighted Bond Rees' ability to manage investigations in industrial cities like Hamm, where precision and timing are essential for large-scale engineering projects. By combining digital forensics, local knowledge of the industrial sector, and efficient on-the-ground search efforts, Bond Rees ensured the safe recovery of the missing engineer, allowing the project to proceed without significant disruption.